Good morning, good morning. This is your acronym individual uploading different kinds of videos. Thank you for those who are subscribing and giving comments. I do appreciate whether it is positive or negative comments. It's also still a comment. Thank you so much, especially those who are really saying that, oh, grandma, you're so cool and everything. You naman ding, there's others that are telling na negative comments, it's also fine. Thank you so much. Our acronym for the day is TEARS. I Google it, of course. We Learning is a continuous process, right? So tears are a clear salty liquid by the lacrimal glands, okay, in the Google. But I gave it a acronym. Let's start with T. Take. And E, every. A, agony. Every agony. And then R, restore. And S, self. Alam niyo po ba ang pag-iyak ay hindi naman masama? Okay? Marami po, tatlo po ang benefits niya actually. It lubricate, protect, and clean the eyes. The LPC. Okay? So kapag po tayo umiiyak, may tatlong benepisyo yan. Yun nga, yung pinoprotekta niya ang ating mga mata at ililinis niya yung ating mga mata. So, wag po tayong matakot na umiyak. Ako kasi is, yun, si Mojo yun, yung aking alaga na aso. Ako kasi sensitive at sandali umiiyak. Lagi tumutulo yung luha. Nagdarasal lang, tumutulo na yung luha. And it's good. And it's not, kaya nga, paminsan-minsan, iiyak mo. Ilabas mo. Yan. Nakakatulong po kasi yung pag-iyak. So, let's take every agony to restore ourselves. Okay? Lahat po ng sakit, ng mga pains, lahat ng mga nararamdaman natin, iiyak po natin, ilabas po natin. Wala pong masama doon. You can cry inside your room by yourself. Kasi nahihiya kang ipakita, so you go inside your room and then cry. Pour out those tears. So to help you to lubricate, protect, and cleanse your eyes. Yun lamang po. This is your AI acronym individual saying, Happy Tuesday to everyone. Balik school na po yung mga bata dito sa Canada. Thank you for subscribing and continue notification. Pindutin lang po yung notification bell. At salamat po sa lahat ng nanonood. God bless us all. Magandang buhay, mabuting tao. This is our acronym individual test. And kung ano man po yung nakikita nyo sa video na to, ako po ito. Thank you so much. God bless us all. I love you all.